Junaid Jamshed. Junaid Jamshed tour due September 3, 1964 December 7, 2016. Aged 52, was a Pakistani recording artist, television personality, fashion designer, occasional actor and songwriter. After graduating with a degree in engineering from the University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore, Jamshed briefly worked as a civilian contractor and engineer for the Pakistan Air Force before focusing on a musical career. He soon began performing on various local university campuses before being noticed by pop singer Sohail Hyatt in 1983. With the help of Hyatt and Nusrat Hussain, Jamshed was inducted into the singing group Vital Signs and signed a record deal with record executive and producer Shoaib Mansour to his PTV Music Studio. Tour due September 3, 1964 December 7, 2016. Aged 52, was a Pakistani recording artist, television personality, fashion designer, occasional actor and songwriter. After graduating with a degree in engineering from the University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore, Jamshed briefly worked as a civilian contractor and engineer for the Pakistan Air Force before focusing on a musical career. He soon began performing on various local university campuses before being noticed by pop singer Sohail Hyatt in 1983. With the help of Hyatt and Nusrat Hussain, Jamshed was inducted into the singing group Vital Signs and signed a record deal with record executive and producer Shoaib Mansour to his PTV Music Studio. Jamshed 52 was best known as a recording artist and began his music career in 1983 after completing the degree in engineering from the University of Engineering and Technology in Lahore. The musician also joined the Pakistan Air Force with hopes of becoming an F-16 fighter pilot, but was hindered due to bad eyesight. The songwriter later joined the band Vital Signs as lead singer and released their debut album Vital Signs 1 in 1989. The Pot Collective went on to release 3 more albums and achieved several chart-topping singles, becoming prominent figures in the Pakistani music industry. However, Jamshed eventually branched out on his own and launched a successful solo career in 1994 with his debut album Junaid of Vital Signs. The singer's second album, Thus Raw Par, featured the notable singles Natuige O Sanama and the title track. Jamshed released his last solo album in 2001. Aside from music, Jamshed also forged an acting career which included starring in the PTV miniseries Undercast. In 2014, Jamshed issued a pleading public apology after a video of him apparently criticizing the Prophet Muhammad's wife was shared on social media, leading to an investigation into suspected blasphemy being launched by authorities. The video went viral and prompted hundreds of people to protest and call for his arrest for hurting religious sentiments of Muslims. At the time, Sarwat Ijaz Qadri, chief of the Pakistan Sunnah Tariqat organization, said Junaid Jamshed should be immediately arrested and put on trial under the blasphemy laws. He doesn't deserve to be forgiven for his sacrilegious remarks about the mother of believers. Hazrat Aisha. Jamshed was attacked at the Benazir Bhutto International Airport by protesters who accused the singer of blasphemy. Iconic singer Junaid Jamshed is feared dead following the crash of a Pakistan International Airlines flight. Local reports claim the pop star turned entrepreneur and preacher was traveling with his wife on the flight, which went missing on its route from Chitral to Islamabad on December 7. Details of the plane crash are yet to be confirmed, but a PIA spokesperson said, "We regret to inform that PIA's AERO-42 aircraft operating as Part 661, carrying around 40 persons, lost its contact with Control Tower on its way from Chitral to Islamabad a short while ago. All resources are being mobilized to locate the aircraft. Media will be kept informed as situation develops."
ये